Yeah, wake up and go get it, man. Real talk. Yeah, I've been working all day, trying to do the damn thing. Yeah, I'm just trying to get paid. I gotta get it some way. I've been working all day, trying to do the damn thing. Yeah, I'm just trying to get paid. I gotta get it some way. A lot's been going on as of lately. Slow in the text, my phone is blazing. Move after move, another destination. Taking off for work, but I prefer the placement. Like this is cool, this is dope. This the life that I chose. My numbers going up, cause I've been doing stuff that not everybody on. Real talk, I'm getting lit without lick, high without splits. They making music and I have no kids, but I still make kids. Getting hit it from the back while she looking back, hoping that she don't get attached. Oh shit, okay. 1, 2, 3, ding ding, like we in the rain, but you can't compete. I'm the king around here like LBJ. No matter where I go, on the winning team. Damn, the kid is on fire. Heating up like the dryer, carry weight like Mariah. With no mistakes, I'm the Messiah. Been riding in overdrive, pushing the limit. Exhibit my spirits through lyrics, just listen. You feel like you got it, there's something you missing. Cause you can't see what I see, I got the vision, yeah.
Moving on the low key, low key.
It ain't hard to be real, it ain't hard to be real. I
just always do my own thing, own thing.
It's just something you could feel. I've been working all day, trying to do the damn thing, yeah. Get it some way. I've been working all day, trying to do the damn thing, yeah. I'm just trying to get paid. I gotta get it some way. Why you mad, bruh? Cause I'm on one like 2, 3, 4.
Grandma always told me be a better me, and mama always said mama let him be. He think he better off giving attitude. I guarantee he'll wish it was gratitude. For a smile on the worst days, for a cake on the birthdays. It won't be too long, no, yeah, too long, no, yeah. God damn it, she was right though. I never ever said it, it was always in my mind though. And every time I think about you being gone, I remember times I was speaking wrong. I won't lie, I do try, but I do slip, I do flip. And it hurts me as it hurts you. So don't you think I don't see what you do. Why you gotta be so predictable? This could all be simple though. And it hurts me when you hit below, but I'll always be there for you. Don't you forget your love for me. Don't forget to call for company. Anytime or anywhere, I'll always be there for you. Baby girl, I know it's been a long time, but I stumbled across your gram at the wrong time. I try to stay away in hopes of what I won't find, and I saw your hand, daddy gave a cosign. No wait, no ways it's happening. I changed so you'd come back to me. You said you'd never let me go and always be there for me. If so, then what's with the switch up? Please wait, don't go, can we discuss everything that we used to, baby? You know I did things you ain't used to, baby. On second thought, carry on. I know you haven't done wrong, yeah. Silly young me, though, I do not need you and I don't wanna see you. Why you gotta be so predictable? This could all be simple though, and it hurts me when you hit below, but I'll always be there for you. Don't you forget your love for me. Don't forget to call for company. Anytime or anywhere, I'll always be there for you. You know, I just had to get certain things off my mind. Not necessarily, but I had to address some things. But, you know, it's crazy when I started writing this. But I had an idea for this shit, like some da-da-da-da-da. Like this, what? Yeah, let me catch it, let me catch it. La-da-da-da-da-da-da. La-da-da-da-da.
I'm at the bar going hard with a couple shorties, but that's just the ordinary. This Jack Daniels must have stole my debit card. I'm everything but boring lately. I'm on your campus trying to find where the weed at. Maybe still your honey, better mind your beeswax. No clue where I am or where I sleep at. I'm scrolling through her gram, goddamn I'm creeping. It's a trip, get a grip, take a sip, take a hit. Don't slip, don't think for a sec, that you the shit. Cause as soon as you do, I'ma have to come and tell you how it is, yeah. I know you think that you're ballin', man, don't get it fucked up. I know you think that you're poppin', man, don't get it fucked up. I know you think you're the topic, man, don't get it fucked up. I know you think that you're rockin', man, don't get it fucked up. I know you think that you're ballin', man, don't get it fucked up. I know you think that you're poppin', man, don't get it fucked up. I know you think you're the topic, man, don't get it fucked up. I know you think that you're rockin', man, don't get it fucked up. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, beat sweet. It's like you're finally blowing up, finally getting plays, last song's heat. Obviously, you're correct, but your timing isn't. I apply the vision, you supply the critic. Now I'm guessing it's my time to get it. Let me tell you how I'm living. I've been drinking way too much, haven't given a single fuck. I've been spending all this money, but I still can't make enough. Still filling my cup, only with the strongest. Thinking that your poppy on the wrongest. Thinking it's a wave, I've been on this. Always misbehave, and I always play it back when the song ends. Still up and bounce in the morning, still been on the low shit. We really going up, please stay focused. I've been on this day-to-day partying, go to bed at 4 and write a new song again. Man, whoever thought of this? I damn broad dead, I was focused on content. Well, yeah, I couldn't even understand the concept. Go gossip, tell them it was me that talk shit, just walked in. Man, you know that I want this, I'm on this. Man, you know that I'm on this. First sight, you can tell that I'm on this. But I know you think that you're
Muss ich das auch noch machen, gell?